Hey everyone, welcome aboard. Here we are. We are starting the breakdown of this ACC tournament to get us ready for March Madness. So, all we are doing is collecting data, and then we're going to make some selections based off of there. So, let's get ourselves into it here. All right. As you can see here, we are using Ken Palm's rankings, and then we're going to look and see, hey, did they play each other once before? So, to do that, we're going to get ourselves to our GMS Learn homepage there. All right. More specifically, our math page. So I'm going to bring up that Ken Palm index, which is on the right-hand side over here. We're going to click, all right. And then we're going to input some data. So if I go back to my OneNote, we've got this under the ACC Tournament doc. I can see here we've got Pittsburgh against Miami. So Pittsburgh, all right. I'm going to go back to Ken Pomeroy's rankings, and I've got to find Pittsburgh. All right. Now, because they aren't very highly ranked, they're going to be further down the chart. Now, this is not, all right, the numbers here are regarding the teams across the entire country, not just in the tournament we're looking at. So the seed that you're noticing there is not the exact same. All right, so there it is, Pittsburgh, number 82. So I'm going to get myself back into not into Microsoft Word, back into my OneNote. And all right, we can go ahead and fill it right in there. Ken Palm rank is at 82. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at their adjusted offense. All right, and remember here, I can look at the headings there, and there we go. I've got it. There it is. Adjusted offense. Remember, we want the ranking here. So even though the number here says 108.8, the little number is their ranking, 77. So we'll go ahead. We'll punch in a 77 for the offense. Slide on over a little bit more. Defense there, 103. So we'll get that in there. All right. The luck factor. Remember, the lower the number, the luckier they've been. The higher the number, the unluckier they've been. So 292, that's getting up there. We're about 357 is the max, if I remember correctly here. So 292 means they've been kind of unlucky, which means they're in close games, but they're losing them. All right. And then the strength of schedule. Remember, we're using, might make it better if we zoom in here a little bit better. All right. For strength of schedule here, we're using that adjusted EM. So when I look across there, 60. Okay. So again, this conference here definitely had some strengths there. So here we go. And then I want to see if they played against each other. So to do this, I'm going to open up a new window here. I'm going to go to ESPN.com. I'm going to type in the team that we are looking for. So that's going to be in that search icon here. And I am looking up Pittsburgh. So I'm going to type in their name. Lots of Pittsburgh teams are appearing here. I want the men's basketball. That's NCAAM. All right. And then what I can do is I can click on their schedule and see when they've played against each other. So let's see here. I am looking for, not that. Let's slide back over. Pittsburgh against Miami. Let's see if they played at all. So I'm in Pittsburgh, so I'm looking for anything Miami. There we go. Hey, they won 70-55. Okay, so let's get that in there. That they did end up winning. All right, 70-55. Let's see if they played again. I mean, that's pretty early in the season. So Miami. No, they didn't. Okay, so how am I going to interpret that? Well, that was at the very much the beginning of the season. So it might not carry as much weight, but man, it was a blowout, 70-55. Well, okay, I can kind of see what they've done lately here, and man, Pittsburgh struggled lately here, huh? Look at that. Loss, one loss. So these are things I'm going to take into consideration. Now, I do need to fill out the information, all right, for Miami, and then you're going to make your pick. You're going to select, just kind of circle which team that you want, and then we'll end up filling out that bracket accordingly. You are taking care of the first round. So we got 1, 2, three games that we need you to analyze for today. Again, just ink right in here and you'll be all set. All right, we'll see you.